Ji, Assalamu alaikum. I want to tell you about the Power BI that how to create a dashboard. So first thing you want to introduce the Power BI in which you have to go on the import data from Excel file. You can rename it here by I think you want to create a dashboard, any dashboard. You have any Excel file. So you want to create a dashboard. So you want to upload an Excel file. I am having an Excel file by name, Snowboard, Keyword Scout, I would say, or e-commerce, keyword status panel. And I'm working with the digital marketing. So you can see it that I have uploaded one Excel file in it, in which you can see it. I have to upload it here. By clicking on the tick mark, you can see that I have uploaded the Excel file. You can see it. You can also change the screen as well. Screen designing that how much you will upload it. So by increase it to 100% screen will be too much zoom out. And if you want to zoom in, zoom out, so you can do it as well. Okay, another thing. First thing I have uploaded a an Excel file by which you can upload or create any dashboard. So I will create a dashboard so you can see the video. By creating it, I have selected uh I have selected a graph from here by which I will select average monthly sum of average monthly searches as I need to create it through the keywords. So you can see it. Different type of keywords comes and different types of some of average monthly searches by keyword it's I have uploaded so you can see it that I have first tick mark on my keyword, then I have tick mark on on the sum average. So you can see that this type of graph has been created. Another one, you can change the size of the graph as well by selecting it to the individuals. You can change the values. You can change the color and through the columns by selecting it through the, it can be changed. It's all. So you can also do the changes that by selecting it e-commerce website. So you can give another color. So it will be changes. You can see it, different things. Okay. But I'm looking that this one is looking better to me. Okay. Then I will create a keyword. Um, I will create another graph by selecting it again on the keyword. Then after that, I will click on the competition. So you can see it different types of keywords. Some of competition index value by keyword is showing. So it's having too much keywords around I think 500 to 400, 500 to 650 in the Excel files. You can see it. Different type of keywords come in different types of, or so you can see that the different type of. You can also change the graph style. So it will be, but it's not looking too much great. So I would say that this one is looking superb one. It's a better one. Now I want to create another thing. Through this one, you can create a graph. Through this one, and I have to create a space above side to give the heading of my work. So I have to drop down and change the size of it. After that, okay. After that, you can see it that I have select another top of page, and I would say that every monthly it would not be in a group. Through keyword, it would come. It's looking great. It's looking superb one. You can see it. But I would say that I don't look it's not great, not any created. You can also do this thing, no any. So I would say through the keyword you can do it. You can see it. Some of top page bid low range, some of top page keyword bidding has been done. So some of top of the page bid low range by keyword. So this type of you can see it. The graph can be created easily. Okay. Next one, I have to select another one, as I would say that this one is also a looking great one, superb one. So you can see it that some a bit high range, but I after that you can see it's not looking great. It's looking bad, not looking too much good. So I will say that after selecting with the keyword, this one is looking good. Now it's looking a bit better from the previous one, which I have showcased you before. So now you can see it. I have told you how to create a graph, how to create a graph through Power BI by exporting the Excel file. First, you have to arrange your Excel file accordingly to the Power BI software. Then after that, you will export it. Then after that you can easily create an okay, I want to tell you one more thing. You can also add the image as well by s- selecting it that I have a one image. So you can drop down, or you can by clicking on the shift key, you can increase it. You can increase the size. You can also increase the through on the left side as well. So it's looking great. It's looking good and superb. A, a bit better from the from the previous one when I have selected and dropped down on the Power BI software. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you that through Test Boss, you can give the heading as well. Heading, I would say, uh, keyword statistics dashboard, keywords statistics dashboard. I have given it. Now I have showcased it. Okay, okay. And I have to select a new which I would like the most is the Time New Roman, and I am liking the font size of 18. After that, 18, I would say that you can also select it and drag it. After that, you can also use the things like if you know MS Word, you can easily use this software as well. So I'm thinking that thing that is 18 font is not looking good. I want to to it is 20. And I want to change the color of this. So I would say it's the purple color and bold font. And if that's lies, I can change the effect by giving the effect. Okay, it's looking superb. You can also change the color of the background as well, like wallpaper or canvas background. So you can change it to this, or I would say wallpaper. You can change it. It's I don't know. It's looking good. Now it's looking superb and great. You can see it. I hope you are also liking this as well. I hope so. So this is my video of today regarding the Power BI dashboard, how to create it. And if any questions, you can comment on my video below the video by selecting it. As you can also change it that I am not liking this, so I can do one more thing that I want to create it through the instead of keyword. If I were selected that organic average, no, organic, but it's a limitation in this file that through keywords it would be created. Oh, if I were selected, no. So through keywords, it would be easily shown and its good results are coming. I hope you enjoyed it a lot. Okay. If you have any data, you want to add any data or any specifications, so you can create a test box through this, and you can showcase it in this by writing it down like keywords 500 and 500 quantity top of bids page bid was to maximum 250. So you can mention it, and you can also change the size by scrolling down to the 18. You can also change the size of the font as well, and maximum. You can also change the different fonts. Vardhana, I have like it, and you can also change it by through the effects. You can give new effects, and you can like it. And as I am saying, I'm not liking this color, so I want to change a bit red, so you can see it. It's looking superb one. Okay, good job. So I hope you all like it, which I have told you in the video. If you need any more instructions or any confusion, so you can ask me in the video below in the comments. So I will answer your queries as well. I hope you all liked it. Okay, and thank you so much. You're welcome.